Yo, what is going on, everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I've got my buddy Jeff with me. Say what's up, Jeff.
What's up, guys? What's up?
So Jeff has been pressure washing for 10 years now, and he helped me out on this job here that we got for our company using Facebook ads. If any of you guys need help with your Facebook ads, hit me up, 843-888-2371. But I just want Jeff to kind of talk about the process of how we clean this project.
How you guys doing? Well, we first originally started with the parking lot because, that was a big area to cover. And then the other little driveway that you guys see in the video in the front of the building. And then from there, we started with the roof because, obviously it's pointless to start the walls if all the dirt and dirty water is going to hit the roof. The side of the buildings. So we started on the roof. And then we did the gutters and then the buildings. As you can see, one of my employees, he was putting the floor machine on the roof. This is only recommended if the roof is very, very strong, or new or somewhat new. Because if you see these vinyl roofs and they're cracked, or it looks a little mistreated, or it's old, you definitely can't put a floor machine up there because obviously it's gonna leak through. So me and John went up on the roof and we checked the whole roof, make sure that everything was good before we put any type of floor machines up there, and then we went to town. As you can see, we had John and one of my employees there cleaning the roof. And we chlorinated the roof first, hit the floor machine, and then John started washing all the dirty water away. And that was basically the process of this project. And we definitely got it from Facebook ads. I highly suggest you guys to call John for this because this gives you a lot of networking. It gives you a lot of jobs and a lot of leads. So I highly recommend this. It does work a lot. It works good. We've been getting both blown up today over a couple jobs, pretty jobs at that we're going to be obviously posting here on YouTube. And if you guys want to also follow me, I'm going to put a link on this video with my YouTube. Definitely follow me and subscribe. Thank you, guys.
All right. So if you guys want to follow him, check him out in the link in the description. And we made a very good amount of money on this job, and I just wanted to do a recap with this cool drone footage. So we're going to be keeping you guys up, and thank you so much for watching.